What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I will cut my hair layered. This is my hair right now. This is the longest that I have my hair. I just went outside, but I don't think it's a good idea to cut my hair there. Now I'm back in the inside world. I have a very boring hair. This is what my hair looks like, and I'm gonna cut it inspired by the Korean layered haircut. I guess we are ready right now. So this will be my position. I have a huge mirror in front of me. You need this hair comb, and then this scissor. Can you see it? It's for layering. And then the normal scissor that we have here. So these are our tools. I'm gonna start. Thing, we have to part our ways. Part our ways. We have, first thing, we have to divide our hair half. Okay. Now we have the first layer, which is the lower hair. Now here's the tip. For you to have a layered hair, the thing will be pulling your hair 90 degrees. In a 90 degrees angle. I hope you can see that angle like here. So pull it away, straight, away from your face. Like that. Pull it away. And I'm gonna use the first straight. I don't know how you call it. Oh shit. Now you have to get it straight up. Straight. Now you can say straight away if you have a layer. Straight away, we create a layer.
Straight away, it's layered. You know, you can see the difference.
Now on the other side, you will have to do the exact same thing. You have to pull away your hair from your face in a straight horizontal line, and then just keep a reminder that you have to remember the length of how much you have to cut your hair. So as always, 90 degrees. Did you see I just measured it with my cutout hair? So you have to cut it just all the way up.
Okay. This was a bad idea.
I was actually struggling with this side. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out how to cut it.
I'm tired already.
This is the first time that I did this kind of haircut, so I'm struggling a little bit how to figure it out. But I think if you get used to it, it's gonna be easier.
Ta-da! We're going to layer here.
Actually, I kind of make a mistake. It's not a layering, but it's actually trimming my hair so it doesn't look too timid. But it actually also will give that effortless look. So I'm using this scissor just to trim the tips of my hair and to make it look like nice.
Just trims and layer. First layer done. Blah blah blah. Now next.
Now we're gonna do the upper half of our hair, and we're gonna divide it also in half like that, so, and we're gonna keep the other side away so we don't cut it. I will focus first on this side.
This will be our guide. This is just the back hair. So this is our guide, and we have to cut it 1 inch above here, probably here.
Now you're gonna take portions of that other half of your hair and then also do the same thing. Just remember how long you want to cut it. You can cut it 1 inch shorter than the previous level of your hair. So you cut it the same way, always a trick, away from your face, 90 degrees. You can actually see now the style of our hair, which is already start to be layered.
So it will be in here.
Now using the other portion, just the same technique, 1 inch shorter, or it depends how you want it. Cut it again, horizontal, 90 degrees away from your face, and just do the same thing over and over again. It depends how much hair volume that you have, but for me, I have less hair, so it's actually easier. I actually made a really huge portion, so make sure to have little portions at a time. But don't worry, we can fix it. Always, again, take a little portion and just try your best to trim it with a trimmer scissor, and you will just do just fine. So I learned that you actually have to be very careful with the amount of portions that you're going to cut, because it's gonna look silly if you cut a huge portion of your hair in the same level at the one time. Right now I'm just trying to fix the mess that I made to myself. I'm using the trimmer scissor, just trying to make it a little bit shorter than the other level so it doesn't look so silly before I chopped up all my hair and decided to become a football.
So that's my hair right now on this side. Let's see what's gonna happen next. I think I'm just gonna chop my whole hair. Oh, good.
Now we are on the other side of our hair. It's the same technique, small portions at a time. And then just pull it away from your face, 90 degrees, cut it straight up, vertical, and then you're just gonna do just fine. But remember to cut small portions at a time. Okay, small portions. You're gonna do great. This is gonna be like a silly hair in the beginning. You're gonna be nervous, but just take your time. Trust in yourself. You can do it. If you don't think you can do it, go to the salon. But I don't trust the salon because they don't get what I want. I have traumatic experience in the salon, so not to be too traumatic. But as you can see, I'm just doing exactly the same thing. I'm just struggling because this is actually the first time that I did this haircut. I really think it is important for you to have a trimmer scissor, and you just keep trimming. Just trim the ends of your hair until you get it like an effortless look, that it doesn't look straight from the rest of your hair. Layering is important to make it look like more volume.
Okay. I guess we're done and we're gonna style our hair because the more I cut it, the more I'm going to fuck it up. So we're going to style our hair now. I think I made a mistake.
Now actually I have to style my hair because my hair is very thin and so straight, so you don't see the volume. It looks silly without styling. And so I'm using my straightening iron to curl my hair. That's ironic as it sounds. But this is what I'm gonna do, so you can do whatever you want. It depends what kind of style hair you have. But if you have wavy hair, that's really nice. Good for you.
You can see. You can see. Okay. I think you can see a little bit of style now.
The struggle is real, guys. This is not easy. But I think you'll get used to it.
This is it. I got my own hair. And this is my hair now.
So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching in this YouTube tutorial for how to cut your hair Korean layered haircut. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if this actually helped you. If you're going to do it, just go for it. You can do it, guys. I believe in you. This is the before picture, the very boring hair, and this is after. What a makeover!